Did you know you can make a delicious caramel macchiato at home in under 10 minutes? Skip the coffee shop line. Let's dive in and make it together. Welcome to another adventure with Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today, we're making a creamy, rich caramel macchiato right in your own kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned coffee lover or just getting started with at-home brewing, this recipe is for you. We'll be using simple ingredients that are easy to find and walking through every step so you can enjoy this cafe classic without leaving your house. Ready? Let's get started. Now, let's be honest, those daily coffee runs can add up fast. Not only can they be expensive, but waiting in line can also be a bit of a hassle, especially if you're running late. What if you could make the same caramel macchiato that you love, but faster, cheaper, and in the comfort of your own home? That's exactly what we're doing today. No fancy equipment is needed, just a few key ingredients and a little bit of time. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of milk, any kind will work, but whole milk gives a creamier texture. 2 shots of espresso or strong brewed coffee. Caramel syrup, vanilla syrup ice cubes, if you prefer it iced. First, heat your milk and froth it until it's light and foamy. Don't have a frother? No worries. You can whisk it by hand or use a jar with a lid to shake it vigorously. Once the milk is ready, pour it into your cup, leaving some space at the top. Add a shot of vanilla syrup to the milk and stir well. Now, it's time to brew your espresso. If you've got an espresso machine, use it to brew 2 strong shots. If not, don't sweat it. You can use strong coffee instead. Pour the espresso over the milk, creating that signature layered look. The final touch? A generous drizzle of caramel syrup on top. This is what takes your macchiato to the next level. You can make it as sweet as you like. There's no wrong amount of caramel here. Now, for the exciting part. As you pour the espresso slowly over the milk, you'll notice the layers forming. The smooth milk at the bottom, rich espresso floating on top, and the caramel drizzle tying everything together. It's not just about the taste, but the presentation too. This is where your caramel macchiato becomes a work of art. You can serve it as is, or if you prefer iced, add in some ice cubes and enjoy it cold. Either way, you've now got a coffee shop quality caramel macchiato made with your own hands. Isn't that satisfying? To recap, making your own caramel macchiato at home is simple, quick, and much more affordable than heading out to your local cafe. With just milk, espresso, vanilla, and caramel, you've created a rich, flavorful drink that's perfect for any time of day. Try experimenting with different types of milk or syrups to make it your own. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment below with your favorite coffee recipes, and subscribe for more adventures in the world of tea and coffee. And if you're craving more coffee stories, check out our video on Indonesia's coffee story, from farms to famed cupping next. It's one you won't want to miss.